I used to pay $80 per podcast episodes to my editors and wait for them to edit it for 48 hours. Now AI is doing the whole entire thing for me in 30 minutes. And let me show you exactly what that looks like. My name is Meir. I'm the founder of RevGen AI, and I run my entire company through Claude Code with 0 employees. And today I want to show you one specific skill that I built that has replaced my podcast editor. Every single time I published a podcast episode, the process was recording, sending it to my freelancer, waiting 2 days, getting it back, sending it for more revisions, waiting another day, and then finally manually publishing and distributing it and sending it to my guest and paying $80. And the bottleneck was always waiting. So basically, what I've done instead is I've gone through a process of building a skill, which, if you don't know, Claude Code basically runs on skills, which is a process framework that is repeatable so that once you do something once, you never have to go back and do it again. And what I did is I'm going to share my screen here is basically what I've started was I've asked Claude a very simple prompt of use our podcast skill to edit our latest podcast with Joseph. And what it did is it started a process where it is basically uh, cleaning up the audio, transcribing the video, planning the visual content, and then editing it, and then packaging it all and distributing. And the result is this, where for every single episode, I have the full episode with the thumbnail created for me, full video and audio version, and then also some reels, right? So basically, this whole entire process is now automated, and it's allowed me to basically completely replace my editor and have things done way faster. So basically, I was paying $800 a month to this editor, and over a year, that would have been like nearly 10K, right? And now it's just something that is costing me $0. My Claude Code subscription that I'm already paying for is handling this. And instead of waiting 48 hours to get my podcast clips, it's down to 30 minutes. And the cool thing is that after it creates all the reels and uh, um, podcasts for me, all I need to do is say approve once I approve the quality, and it all gets distributed for me. Something that used to take me 30 minutes of my time at the end of every podcast. And so this is just one skill that I've been able to create. And you may think, okay, like this sounds cool. How do I actually do this? There's a process that you go through when you actually go ahead and create these skills. It's not as simple as it looks. Like you do need to understand exactly where to guide the AI and how to actually ask it to go through a step-by-step process and QA check itself throughout. But just one skill like this can save you thousands of dollars. And so if you want to really learn how to set up skills like this or run your own agency as a solopreneur like I'm doing, subscribe, because I'm going to be continuing to share more use cases like this. And if you want to skip the learning curve, I have 3 accelerator calls this week. I'll leave the link for that down below, where I'll come in and I'll use all these skills and knowledge that I've gained on how to automate systems and basically give you the roadmap to being able to clone yourself and run an agency on your own with way better results, way cheaper, and get things done way faster. All right. See you guys in the next one.